That sounds good.
Yeah. The gas cap was fused.
You said you can hold that upside down and it doesn't come out?
Yeah, I can fill it up with water, and like most of it comes out, but there's some crazy baffle system that keeps it from coming out.
All right. Are you guys cleaning it out? Or?
Yeah, I'm in the process of. But this thing was completely locked up, and it took me 3 days to get this unlocked. Jeez. Then I figured out I couldn't get the key out.
From the ethanol, or?
Yeah, it was just
like
corroded,
white crusties?
Like caked. But I couldn't figure out how to get the key out. There's this thing. Oh, it's a locking mechanism in there when you push it in.
Gotcha.
It took me a good 2 hours to figure that part out.
So you have to push down on it?
Yeah, so like make it...
Oh, man.
So when you put it in
the tank... Take the pressure off the tabs?
So when you put it in the tank... It lets you take the... Well, it used to. Oh, shit.
Well, you don't have it turned, probably. But... Go the other way.
We got a problem.
Ruh-roh.
Yep.
There you go.
Yeah. Then knock them out.
Cool.
Yeah, I couldn't figure out how to get the key out.
When was the last time you guys rode this?
In high school.
No way.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh, that is not good. Jeez.
What?
Look. He said this was turned off, but unless you ran it dry the last time you started it, then the carb would still be full of that gas. I mean, they're aluminum, so they don't, like, you don't get that kind of crap, but you do get all kinds of crusties. Then again, I'm more used to 2-strokes with oil, and that clogs everything, so. But after this long, if there was ethanol in the fuel, that would have been back in, like, late 90s, though, so maybe not as much. I'm betting that's going to have to come off.
Hey, flip it over.
Yeah, that's pretty dark, dude. There's a lot of nasty stuff.
I need to flush this 1,000,000 times.
Yeah.
But see, like, there's still a bunch in here, and, like, all doesn't come out.
A bunch of black crap just came out when you hit it sideways.
I know. But there's a weird baffle system in there, so, like, all this won't pour out, because I guess if you, like, lay your bike down...
Shake it left to right again, and then, like, look at what's coming out.
I know.
Shake it side to side this way. That was when all kinds of crap came out.
But you gotta fill it up a lot.
What is that black crap? Is that just rust that looks black?
It's just... Dude, I don't know. If you look inside there, look at that stuff right there.
Oh, yeah, that's rust, huh? Yeah.
But the below it looks clean.
It's kind of pricey, but there's some stuff you can get called rust. It's called Evaporust. And normally you would dunk your parts in it, but you could fill that up with it, and it would get rid of all that rust and then dump it out. And you can reuse it too. You could dump it back into a bucket and then put like nuts and bolts in it and stuff. I think it's like $50 for a big container of it though, but it works like nothing else. It's really good. Look how thick some of this crap is. Hold on a sec. Look at that. That's insane.
Mean, bro.
There went the Upus guy. He just dropped off a part for the Hayabusa.
Yeah.
Let's see what it's in here.
Like $70.
Can I open it?
Yeah, it's $70 for this thing.
Hopefully I didn't just cut it in half.
That probably did. $70.
No way.
Yes.
Oh my god. $70 filter right here. I thought it was way bigger when I looked at it online. Oh my god.
No, dude.
Dude, that is a $3 freaking part.
I know, and you need it.
Oh my gosh. Screw you, Suzuki.
There's nowhere online you can find a cheap one or nothing,
Oh my
dude.
gosh.
I think I got that
crazy.
for $60.
Insane. Honestly, a pretty big, bulky ass bike, dude. Yeah, I remember they didn't corner handle worth a damn.
No, it's straight.
Look at, I just can't get over this. That's a stamped piece of steel. Stamped piece of steel, a little piece of rubber, and that is a corrugated piece of paper. And this is $60 because they can't. Oh, and a little bit of like hot glue schmutz to hold the paper to the steel. And it's because they can. Supply and demand.
You need it.
Oh, was that what was in there? I knocked that over earlier.
No,
Those
beer,
keys?
there's beer in there.
Oh, okay. The beer bottle I knocked anyway.
This thing, they only give you so much room to reconnect it, you know?
Right.
So I have this one disconnected. And that's the This is the supply. This is supply. This is return.
I can see where you
I
cut.
need to replace this one too.
What about the one that's cut right there?
That's the one I cut off because it was leaking from that crack. So I just cut it because it was leaking fuel and I wanted it off now, you know?
Right. That's the return or what?
This one is supply. This is return. Return is the back one.
The one that's cut?
Yeah.
So this is the one that's cut.
So yeah, I need to replace that one.
Gotcha.
Both of them actually. So
what did you need the 10 for?
to take the tank off. All the way off.
Where is it at?
Right here. There's 2 bolts. You see I got a kink in it.
Yeah.
This should be the remainder of the fuel. There shouldn't be as much in there. So I gotta get it flat like this for the rest of it to come out. There isn't any. I blew it out, but
yeah, nothing's even. Get it more flat if you can.
This is how it would be.
Nothing's coming out.
So it should be good.
It's dry.
So
put it somewhere safe. Here, you want me to clear this off?
this carpet right here.
Sure is nice underneath there. This thing's been garaged its whole life, right? And it's older than this.
This is where my dad dropped it.
Oh, up front here. Yeah. That's a bummer.
I found a left fairing, an OEM one, for 150 bucks.
I would snag that up in a heartbeat, dude.
Look at this thing. There's a vacuum line on the end of this plunger. There's that plunger right there.
Oh, yeah.
And I don't know how it works, but
There's
it
another.
controls this flap. That's a sensor. Something plugs into it. How it goes down. This one's kind of shady. There we go. That should be. This is the vacuum line to that little plunger.
Oh yeah.
So it'll move this flap.
Right.
I don't know why, but when too much air is coming in or something. Here, I undo this.
I'm gonna hold it. Okey-doke.
Injectors are all in this rail. Connect to there. This is the end of the fuel pump. The little fuel pump is inside there. That little filter goes right here inside there.
Huh.
It's only 2 bolts to get off. I don't have all 4 of them on there. And I have to undo that to get it off. Don't want to lose that. Little O-ring in there. This goes inside there, or that. So the filter is under here, I believe. It's really tight. Oh shit! Not that tight. So this is it. That thing is offset, dude.
That's not the right one. Oh no.
That's the only one that they have.
Well, show the camera that one. That's all deteriorated.
So this is it. I tried to put it back together.
No.
If the other half of it's on here, see?
Oh, crap.
Yeah.
Might have to graft that onto here with some hot glue.
God, no.
The bottom looks.
Dude, that's the only one I could get. That's the part number for sure.
That lines up.
See? I knew it.
Damn it.
That's not even it.
That sucks, dude. Damn.
So that's the other part of it.
Yeah.
I can't take that apart. No way, and I wouldn't even waste my try, dude.
You'd have to heat that up and pop that off.
That won't come out, dude.
Yeah, if you heat it up, it's probably hot glue or like
Hot glue.
you know,
You think? Well, you can see it.
like
There's a lot in there.
Yeah. I mean, are you gonna be able? Can you even send it back now that you've opened it up and everything?
This is what I'm gonna get no matter what I order, dude.
Right. So you gotta make that.
So that's
work.
why I was gonna do with my brass
The
piece.
paper would probably catch on fire before that
Where's
crap
the
would
brass
melt. Huh?
piece that I just had?
This,
No.
like that.
So this is pretty much it. I was gonna use that instead. But this thing, I think it all has to be sealed under pressure. You know?
Yeah. Damn.
So this goes in here. There's some shit in there too. Yeah, look at all that crap that got back in there. Look at all this.
Jeez.
If I ran it again?
Is that from the filter deteriorating?
I guess?
Damn.
but that definitely clogged up my injectors.
Yeah.
Because now I got to check those.
We're heating this up. He's going to try to pop this one off and heat up that rubber enough and then get the old one back on there.
Ooh.
Oh, sweet.
Where's the other one?
That's awesome. Let me grab the other one. Do you want like some, because that's not even like...
Show them what it looks like. That's what it looks like.
This one's total, so we need to gouge out wherever you want. Ow, damn, that's hot.
It needs the offset is what we're looking for.
Yeah. You probably want to replace that O-ring, but
yeah,
you're going to have to cut a little gouge wherever you want. So he got that one back together with a new solvent-resistant O-ring.
This is the part where you got to line stuff up. This goes in there like that. You got to get this notch to line up with where that hole is. So that notch has to line up there, so the thing has to be over here. So it lines up. Like that.
Stab it in there, then turn it.
Yeah. Yes, I'll do that. Oh, man. That. Yeah. Snug.
It's good.
That's like that. That's how it goes. And we'll seal that.
Sweet.
It should be, so this is the one I needed a new, the O-ring wasn't here. It goes here.
Did you spray schmutz on that one?
Yeah, that's the one you sprayed.
Okay.
That one, that, then it goes onto that. So.
I'm gonna spray that.
This outside one?
Oh, do you need it on there?
Yeah, I would think so.
A little bit on there.
Goes together like this. But you gotta make sure those things line up to that little divider.
Yeah.
For those wires, and it's hard to line up. You just get lucky and it goes. I don't know. There. These things, these metal notches, gotta line up, and then I just press it down with the screws, and it ends up shutting. Okay. Yep. There you go.
That's what it does. It doesn't even. There's no spray pattern.
No.
That's crazy.
None of them did.
Wow.
It's spraying. That's a good thing.
Yeah.
Oh. Maybe that's supposed to be wet. There we go. That could be a problem, right?
That's because it's running out. Alright, we're a little farther along. That was a freaking nightmare to get the way you got to get all these things hooked up with the tank in there and the fuel pump and everything. What a pain in the ass. And then there's the fuel injector rail is not so bad, but then this, the intake for the the two outside ones want to seat, but the two inside ones don't like to seat. And then you got a screw here that does these two, and then there's one on the other side for those two, and that wants to strip out. It's just a pain. There's like a graveyard of bolts and crap down here in the bottom of this fairing. I was trying to dig them out. Oh, here he goes with his. I'm gonna pressurize the. Oh no.
Hold on.
Ah, we'll be back. Is it? Oh, I can hear it. I think.
Going. I'm not putting a whole lot in there because if I have to take it out, it's
Yes.
that's enough, right? That's a lot.
So you want it to be to the.
Dude, it doesn't take much for this thing to start dripping.
Okay. I think you'd want like a gallon or so to get to the petcock.
Gallon in there. Yeah, there's
Okay.
more than a gallon.
Right on.
Alright, got that. Get my, don't do it yet, don't do it yet.
Can I start it? Can I start it?
Sound like it's going? Yeah. I'm in it. You gotta prime the shit out of it.
Yeah.
It's got a lot of fuel. You gotta fill up that whole thing, you know?
Right. The whole line.
I've been doing this a long time, but I got starter fluid too, but I don't know if that really. Don't want to use too much.
Okay, here goes nothing.
That's just starter fluid.
Yep. Battery died, so we got the little jump pack hooked to it. Let's see. That was weird, dude. It did it like twice.
What?
Since I have the jump pack hooked up, watch this. See if it does it again. Listen when I listen. I guess not. That relay back there clicked twice and it like primed it twice.
Okay.
It was really weird. Anyway, hit the starter. He'll be shocked at how fast it cranks that little thing over. I think this only does it for like a certain amount of seconds, and then you gotta restart it or something. I don't know. Let me undo it and then do it again. You hear that relay click when I undid that?
Yeah.
Is it totally dead?
I don't know. It sounds like it, dude.
Okay, is that green? Yeah. You hear that? It just clicked
Yeah, I hear it.
on its own. I don't get that. That didn't sound good. Well, we don't think that fuel pump's working. We verified with the video that we do have it hooked up right as far as these two lines. The upper goes to upper and the lower goes to lower, which makes sense when you look at it. But anyway, it runs off starter fluid, so the bike will run. It's just not, that pump's not strong enough.